I am at these units again. And it's actually been a while since I've filmed these units, but here we have 2 Keeprite units. This one is from 2017, and it's a 4-ton. And it's a little windy today. Here's this one. It's from 2016, and it's a 2.5-ton. And then over here, here's some Lennox units and 2 more Keeprites. And I don't know if I feel. Actually, never mind. Gotta be careful here because it's icy here. Not sure if anything's gonna be running today. It's in the 50s actually. Right now it's about 55. This one is a 4-ton from 2008. These are all located at where my sister used to do dance. Here's this one. These have Copeland scroll compressors. This one's from 2008, and it's a 3-ton. And get the data on this one. This one's a 2-ton from 2008. And here's these 2 again. This one's got a Gentech motor. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.